Afternoon, folks. We left Germany this morning, Titisee, and we have arrived at Camping Jaufrau, and
in Switzerland.
Yeah, probably the most we've ever spent on a pitch, but the views are stunning. Budget, the pitch is not worth the money, but I think you're paying for the view rather than anything else. Have a look at that.
So I'll show you where our pitch is here. You've got water coming down there, turn around here, and then you've got the Alps up there. More waterfalls coming down there, and these here, we think they live in them, don't they? And they're just like holiday homes because there's nobody here at the moment.
No, some of them are wooden ones. Like that's not a wooden one.
No.
But oh, look at that over his roof.
Yeah,
look over the roofs.
They obviously haven't got solar. They're all just plugged into electric, aren't they?
Yeah. But you have to look at some of the other ones down here. Look, like that's a solid side.
Oh right, as if that's been built. Yeah, look, I'll show you.
Yeah.
See here, like a solid side on it there.
What good's that?
Yeah, so that's our pitch down there. And we've got the view of that. And now we're going to go and take a walk. This reception is just up here, isn't it? We arrived and a gentleman met us. And where was he from, love? That showed us
Glossop.
Glossop caravans.
Come here years ago and forgot to go home.
15 years I think he said he was here. Then he loved it so much that he lives here, doesn't he?
He lives on site, works on site.
Yeah.
And what a place to live.
Absolutely. I mean, the drive in was stunning. So yeah, that's the reception hall area there, but as I say, we're going to take a walk out. We've just come, so we'll get back to you in a bit, show you a bit more. So we've just walked from the motorhome down there. That's the motorhome down there. Just walked along here, along here. And we've just missed two base jumpers, apparently they call them jumpers off, and they jumped from there and landed in this field. What we got here, too late. Colin saw one of them land, but we're trying to walk up to that bit there. Oh, hang on. Colin's got his grass to feed his cows. Oh God, he loves cows. You're not going to have anything off you?
Huh? That's electrified.
Is it? Why did you touch it?
Yeah.
Come on.
Jesus Christ.
He's not wanting yours.
No, he's not going to stop.
He's not wanting any love.
No.
Do you love? Say if you're going for a shower later.
I know.
Just stand under there. Right, we've walked so far, but it's further away than you think, but I'll just show you if you can make it out. There. But this scenery all around here is really, really stunning. Look at this. Waterfalls there, there, house here. Apparently Switzerland is made up of 60% of the Alps. That's quite a lot, isn't it? 60%. Stream here. Is it lovely, love?
Gorgeous.
Lovely, isn't it?
Gorgeous.
Can you remember any facts? What was testing on earlier and you got?
Yeah.
So what's Switzerland
If you're here in the
for?
winter,
oh yeah,
don't eat yellow snow.
That's not a fact.
It's a good tip, I promise you.
What is he like? Honestly. So you can't remember any?
Wasn't what?
What's Switzerland famous for?
Chocolate,
Yeah.
cheese.
Yeah.
And 60% of their country is covered by the Alps.
And how many languages do they speak?
4.
And can you name them?
German, French, Italian and Roma.
Impressive. So this is the campsite that we're on. It's called this. And we came in along here and down here.
Morning folks, and welcome to a pleasant day in Lauterbrunnen in Switzerland. We arrived here yesterday and we are just waiting on the train to take us up the Alps. Unfortunately for us, we're a day too late for a special deal. If we'd have got here yesterday, it would have cost us 60 Swiss francs. Today, unfortunately, it's about 90 odd Swiss francs each to go to the glacier. So we get the train from Lauterbrunnen up past Wagen, up and up to the glacier. If you want to go to, they say, the top of Europe, even though there's peaks which are higher, the girl in the information says it's a lot more money. She didn't say how much a lot more money was. So our train is in 5 minutes, and no doubt.
Just here.
Oh, here we go. Here's our train. So we will keep you informed and hopefully show you some stunning landscape.
Not happy. Paid nearly £180 to come on this train to get to the top and then go on a cable car. Now the train has told us to get off there because it's not going any further. Because apparently the weather further up there's a storm. We're not happy, so just now going into the ticket office to see whether or not our tickets will be valid for another day or what we do. Surely they would have known about a weather report before they sold us the ticket half an hour ago. Right, we've just been back to the motorhome for some lunch because we've got to wait till the information office opens up to see if we're getting our money back or we can continue the journey whether or not the storm's passed. So this is where we're going now. Well, this is the walk from the motorhome, the campsite, into the village. So there's a lovely, lovely waterfall there. And then this is the way you walk into the village here. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful. They probably won't pick it up on camera, but there's all just gorgeous houses dotted around. Look at that, we're not into, but look at that for a grave stone, heart shape, a lovely tree. How lovely is that?
Afternoon folks, still in Lauterbrunnen. We were supposed to go up to the Jager this morning. We got the 11 o'clock train. 12 minutes later it stopped in a place called Wagen, and we were told because there's storms at the top of the mountain that we had to get off the train. and it was packed. So everyone got off the train. The driver and the conductor didn't know what to tell us. So they went back down in an empty train and left a full train load standing on a platform. They're as baffled as we are because they're usually told when it closes and they haven't. So we've heard the weather's going to be worse tomorrow, otherwise we were going to stay another night. If things change in the morning and there's room on the site, it would be nice to go up there. So watch this space and see what happens, folks.
But apart from that, it's a beautiful place, isn't
Oh,
it?
it's a stunning place, stunning, but really, really busy.
Yeah.
And I mean really busy. Anyway, we'll leave it with you.
Yeah.
If we do anything interesting later on today, we'll get back to you. Otherwise,
See you in a bit.
it's bye from me.
Bye from me.
Bye.
See you later.
Bye.
So because we can't go on the train up the Alps, we've just come for a walk, and yeah, not far, about 10 minutes. Just come to this. There's Col, having a rest, aren't you, Col?
Yeah.
There's a bridge here. Takes you over to the other side. And that's the view from here. Because we're feeling a bit disappointed, aren't we? That we couldn't go up the Alps.
Yeah.
Are we going to have a beer?
We want to drown our sorrows and have a drink or two.
Yeah.
Can't think of any other way to get over it.
Or make Col.
Well, I was going to say good afternoon, but it's actually 5:10 in Switzerland. Change of plan. We were going to leave here in the morning and go to Lucerne for the night and then go into France on Friday. But after 3 expensive beers and 3 expensive prosciuttos, oh hold on, Prosecco's even, we have decided to stay here for another night. So £50 for the site, 3 drinks each, best part of 50 quid, but as my wife said, you only live once. But I'll be, when we end this vlog, I'll be crying my eyes out because I'm trying to put on a brave face. But what we're going to do tomorrow is there's some waterfalls about a kilometre and a half walk, so we're going to go there. And as you know, we should have went up to the Alps Jager today, but the weather up there was atrocious. We couldn't get up. Apparently the weather is worse tomorrow, so that's a no-show as well. One thing to tell you, I'm not sure whether we did earlier, we paid on a card when they give us a refund because we couldn't get up to the top. They give us it in Swiss francs, which, to be honest with you, we didn't want.
But you spent
I was
it
going
on.
to say
We spent it on.
We spent a lot of it now. So anyway, we will catch you tomorrow after we finish these beers and go back to the van
And I've been
and
on
a beans
toast.
on toast.
Beans on toast for tea
Yeah,
now.
rough.
Okay. Cheers.
Good morning, folks, and welcome to a damp and drizzly morning in Switzerland. We should have left this morning to go to Lucerne, but we've actually extended another day so we can do some washing, come see the falls and do a bit more walking. So this morning we walked from the site. It's taken us maybe 40 minutes at a really leisurely pace, and we are at Trümmelbach Falls. we have been recommended by some people who were parked beside us to come and see them. They said it was well worth it. As you can see, 10 cascades inside the mountain. There is a lift. Apparently, it says on the website to bring your coat and be prepared to do a lot of walking, or as I say, there is a lift. We will be walking down at least. I'll see what it's like in the way up.
Yeah, because I think there's meant to be lots of steps in them.
An awful lot of steps if you can up 10. So
Just show you the area here, so we just got to there. And then we just walk from down there, and then this is the way in. As I say, I will video some of it inside, but apparently it's supposed to be really, really good.
oh, it is huge.
What?
It is huge.
I know, yeah. I
I
thought
said
that.
to her, do you want one?
Right. See you in a bit. Right, you won't be able to hear us because of the noise of the water, but look at this.
Falls 6, I think.
Falls what?
6.
Oh, falls.
6.
So we're on Falls 6. How many is it? How many is it?
10.
The lift that we've just been on is 110 years old, and it's brought us up to this level, level 6, because there's so many stairs. But we're going to walk it all the way down. But look at this. so we've just come out from level 6 to 10. Now we're going down now. Obviously we're going 6 to 1. But look at the view we've just come out to. So we've just come from down those stairs there. Was it? Yeah, just showed them. And then that's the lift that we got off earlier. It was in there, so that saved us some leg ache. Yeah, so now we're just going down to the rest of the falls, which is down here. Beautiful, but it got very wet in there. Right, this isn't something that you'd see in the UK, is it, love?
No, not at all. No.
So, it would either be, what would it be?
They'd probably set the wood on fire.
Yeah.
There'd be crap everywhere and beer bottles and everything.
Yeah.
They've got bins.
So look
They've
what they've got
wood.
here.
And they've got a barbecue. I can't believe how good it is.
A barbecue area. And even a seating area made out of rocks. How good is that? Look at this lovely area. I can't believe it, and even wood there for you free. It's amazing that.
Some agent in the UK would set fire to that,
They
or
would.
they'd steal it to take home for their log burn on fire.
They would.
So,
And even a lovely bin to put your rubbish in.
yeah, and the toilet.
Oh yeah, you see that? I think this is brilliant. These are all, I've said this many times, but they're everywhere. They're so clean, aren't they, love? Really clean.
Not that you've used one.
No, I haven't. No, I haven't. I haven't used one, to be honest.
But they are clean inside.
But they are clean, yeah. I mean, if I was desperate, I would. But I haven't. So, should we finish this vlog here, love? I think we've...
We're going back to the site. We have booked in for one more night. And then we'll leave Switzerland tomorrow to go into France. So we're going to go back to the van. We're going to do our washing. We're going to take advantage of having the water right by the van, and we're going to try to wash the roof and the solar panels.
Yeah.
So we
Bit
did wash the
dusty.
van the other day, the second time on this trip. I'm going to try to keep it clean as we can.
Because 3
So-
months is a lot of dirt to collect.
Yeah.
So where are we going tomorrow?
Somewhere in France, I haven't a clue where yet. I'll let you know tomorrow.
Yeah, so anyway, thank you very much. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And it's free. Comment, but please be nice.
No, be honest.
Be honest, yeah, be honest. But yeah, and we'll see you when we get into France. And yeah, big thumbs up, Rob. Outdoor again. Just got to keep mentioning, because honestly, we wouldn't be doing these, recording these and editing them. I haven't got a laptop for one anyway, so yeah. Rob Outdoor, thanks son.